We were looking for a fan-shaped pergola. We could not find anybody in the local area throughout the state that was willing to do the task, and we were fortunate to find Redwood. We were looking for a pergola for a family structure, and the pergola was a 180-degree design, fan-shaped pergola. We found Forever Redwood on the internet after extensive search and looking for the right person. Where we made contact with Raul, he immediately signed a team, kept us informed in the process throughout the design, throughout the delivery, throughout production, the whole 9 yards. So it was a pretty streamlined process. We knew exactly where we were at and what was going on. Getting the project done was a good process, and we knew everything, where we were at in the stage of the production and the drafting. Shortly before Christmas, we had a beautiful structure installed at our home, and we were very pleased with the process. We learned that through reading and looking on your website, educating ourselves, where you clean the forest, you do things of that nature to preserve the future of the redwood and the quality of the wood, and to keep from having fires or maintaining the forestry. Our experience with Forever Redwood was unique. It was great. You know, sometimes when you coordinate with someone across country, it's kind of uncertain, but if we would do it again, let's put it that way. From the beginning to the end, we were satisfied.